Welcome to Cooking with the KAM Fam, guys. I've been working hard in the yard today, so I thought what better thing to have than a nice bone-in prime rib. And we're gonna make this prime rib on the smoker. So first thing, I had it sitting out because I want this thing to get a little bit up to temperature, because you don't want to put these things on cold. If you can get them almost room temperature, I recommend letting them sit out for at least a couple hours, but we're putting this thing on the smoker today. So we're gonna go ahead, we're gonna season it up. I'm gonna show you what seasonings I'm gonna put on this thing, and then we're gonna smoke it. So first up, we have some garlic salts. Now, when I make this, measuring is rough, so we're gonna go with 1, 2 tablespoons. It's a real simple rub we're going to put on. We got some minced onion. We're going to go 2, 2, and 2 of our different seasonings, because that meat is going to have a lot of flavor in it as well. So we're just going to bring out, and last, some Lori's seasoning salt. So we're going to put 2 of that as well. I'm going to go ahead and stir that up to get it nice. Now, the key is, guys, we're going to cook this thing in a cast iron on the smoker. So I'm going to move it to this one I seasoned. So any seasoning happen to drop is going to be in the pan. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to fill that in. So we're just going to get a nice amount of seasoning. Try to get it in the crevice. Get that seasoning all down in there. I'm going to flip it over to the other side. And again, we are just liberally putting this stuff on. Now, I could season the fat, but I don't need to season that. And I'm actually just gonna use some of that seasoning that fell off. Now, the other thing we're gonna do, we're gonna coat this thing in butter. So I have softened 1.5 sticks of butter, and I might have did it a little too long. 30 seconds is probably more than I needed, because I want this butter to coat on. So I might have to get some more butter, guys. But we're gonna coat the sides of this prime rib. So let me grab one more stick. So note to self, next time, only about 15 seconds. 30 gets it smushed. So I'm gonna soften this with the other butter. And yes, we're just going in, hands to it. We're gonna put a nice coat of butter all over this thing, and this thing is gonna turn out mouth-watering. We're also doing it in this pan, so all those juices are gonna stay in here. Just gonna put a nice little layer of butter on top, guys. All right, guys, this thing is ready to go. We're gonna put it on the smoker. So I got some butter, some seasoning. It's probably gonna take, this is about a 4.5 pound prime rib, about 30 minutes. So we're looking at 2.5 hours. So let's put it on, and then we'll show you what it starts to look like. Let's go. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and put this in a hole. There's just enough space. We do have that fat side up, you can see, because we want all those juices to roll down through it. So yes, so that prime rib is in there, ready to cook. Y'all take a look at this prime rib. This thing is looking delicious. It's got some cooking to do still, so we're gonna check back in a little bit. All right, guys, the prime rib has hit 131 degrees. We're gonna pull it out, because really we could have pulled it out 125, but it should give us a nice medium rare. Is what we're gonna do. We're gonna let this thing go, and it's gonna sit in the oven. So we're gonna let it rest in the oven for about 30 minutes. I'm gonna get another hot pan, because this thing is hot. Because remember, we put it in a cast iron skillet. Take a look at that thing. This looks delicious. All right, so that is gonna sit in the oven for about 30 minutes at least. So we'll be back to slice it up. All right, guys, so that prime rib has been resting, and we're gonna cut the bone off. If I can find the bone. There we go, we got one nice slab of meat now. There's still some good pieces on there, so we'll see. I'm gonna trim this fat layer off. Yeah, some of you might like a little fat on your prime rib. I like it to be meaty. There we go, there's one piece. I feel like my knife is not very sharp.
No, like we need to break out the electric knife or what?
There's an electric
I feel like
knife.
somebody's been using this knife for other reasons. So we need to grab the actual big fillet knife. Take a look at this, guys. Does that look prime rib deliciousness? Now, how thick
That looks thick.
do you like your cuts?
No, it's his knife. Delicious. Little ribbon of fat.
Yeah.
That's really good.
That is good.
Two thumbs up.
It's a nice thick slab right there.
It's nice thick, like slime, maybe.
We might not even make it to the table, guys.
Oh. Might not even make it to the mouth.
Like,
Something about a prime rib on a smoker. Just has that different flavor, but it is delicious, guys. So I think it's been a thumbs up for everybody. Maybe you should hit the thumbs up. And let us know, would you have prime rib on the smoker? Thanks for joining us on this edition of Cooking with KAM Fam. We'll see y'all next time.
Bye.